Hello YouTubers and welcome to Earn90. In this tutorial I will show you a short link earning site from which you can make a lot daily. The minimum payout from this site is only $0.1 and you only need 20 to 30 views and then you can request your withdraw. So without wasting time, let's get started. You can find the link to the site in the description. Click on the link and you will be on the site. So after you are on the site and you have registered, here you can see on the main page of the site low minimum payout, and here you can see the minimum payout is only $0.1 and there are multiple payment processors available including Payeer, Perfect Money, Bitcoin and PayPal. So after creating an account, log in and you will be on your dashboard. It is similar to any other earning site that you have used. So here you can see the CPM rates in the announcements tab, your monthly total views, monthly earning, monthly CPM and referral earning. Below is the graph and at the top you can see your available balance. My available balance is $0.119, and when we go to the settings and profile, here you can see, scroll down. The best thing is that you can bring visits from anywhere that you want. You can bring visits from adult websites, from faucets, from PTC sites, from anywhere that you want. So here you can see the minimum withdrawals and the payment methods. For PayPal it is $1, for Skrill it is $5, for Bitcoin it is $3, Web Money $3, Perfect Money $1, Payeer it is $0.1. If you want Free Fire, you will the minimum withdrawal will be $2.5, and for Vodafone Cash it is $0.5. So let me add my account. I will be requesting my withdrawal to Payeer. So let me add my account. So my account has been attached, and statistics, you can see that my main balance is $0.119. I'm gonna request my withdraw. So from here, scroll down and you can see that available balance is $0.119. Hitting the withdraw button and OK. From here you can see that your withdraw has been requested and under review. So you can see that status is pending, withdrawal method is Payeer, the amount is $0.119. So let's wait for the withdraw. So we are back and I have received the payment. The payment was faster than I expected. I received it within 2 minutes and you can see that withdraw is complete. My withdraw is removed from pending withdraw and it is in total withdraw $0.119. And after receiving the withdraw, here you can see I received a mail from Exmo Shortener saying that my withdraw has been processed and I have received the withdraw. So you can also see my withdraw from the dashboard. From the main page, the option here is payment proofs, and here you can see the latest withdraw is mine of $0.119. So the proof is here. You can see the amount of $0.12 operation transfer, and you can read the comment from xmo.xyz. So you can see that I have received the payment and the payment was fast. So you can trust this site and you can earn a lot. The minimum withdrawal is only $0.1 and you only need 20 to 30 views to request your withdraw. So this is it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.